Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have the essentials, now make your first post. Start in YouTube Studio and open the Community tab. Choose post type, text, image, poll, or link, and draft a concise prompt that matches your goal. Explain why this matters. A focused post boosts engagement and signals content direction to viewers. Once done, select audience targeting and visibility. Make sure to preview the content so emojis, links, and images display correctly. Then schedule or publish immediately to start gathering responses. Now refine the post for impact. Write a sharp hook, then add an image or GIF to increase attention. Visuals raise click rates. If using a poll, offer clear, mutually exclusive options and limit to 4 choices for clarity. Add links or timestamps when referencing videos. That drives watch time back to your content. Once set, choose audience targeting and schedule a time when your viewers are most active. This improves reach. Finally, double-check formatting and attachments before publishing. Finish by actively managing responses. Check comments and poll results within the first 24 to 48 hours, then pin or reply to the most insightful feedback. Engagement fuels the algorithm. Use the interaction data to inform future posts and videos. If something goes wrong, such as media not uploading or the post not appearing, clear your browser cache, test on another device, and re-upload the image or GIF. If issues persist, reformat the media and try again. Small changes often resolve the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.